When your Android phone is sluggish, and if you want to fix it so quickly without delay, and here are the 3 steps which will make you fix your Android phone, and a certain limit of speed will be definitely increased. How we are going to see in this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and just scroll down like here, and there will be so many notifications which you might have received for several days or several hours, and you have to immediately clear it to get into the fastest mode. For this, one by one also you can do all those, but once a while you can go for straight away clear option will be there down below somewhere. Just do it. That's all. Boom. All those notifications just wiped out without any much taking time. And this way you can also get into the, just scroll on like this, go to the settings icon on your top right corner or somewhere you will find your settings icon, and tap on that one. Under the settings you'll have so many options here. Just go to one option wherein you will get to know about general settings. Straight away general management here, just tap on this one. Upon tapping under the general management, or even without general management, you will have an option for reset. Just go to this reset option. On typing, just you will get this reset. Go to the search bar and type it, and here the reset option will have so many options here. Reset all settings, reset network settings, reset accessibility settings. Like this everything can be done. Reset all settings would let you reset all those options like security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, everything. Just go and do this. This will ask you to enter your pattern or pin. Just enter it and enter it. I have entered my pattern, and this is asking reset all settings. Yes, you can go and do it. Reset. I have done it, my part. This is happening. Restart. Once it restarts, automatically your device would perform better. Restarting device to reset settings. Please wait. This will take several seconds and it will be done. Just it is done now. Thank you. My Samsung is reset again. It has reset and starting again. The phone is fully active, and probably this would be working very much faster than the earlier one. Now the third step which you can do it again, go to your settings, go to that settings icon, tap on that one. Upon tapping you will find another option under the settings is for battery and storage. Go there. Battery and device care is the one. Just tap on that one. Here we would come to know how much storage is left on your phone, and see here out of 128 GB, 1.4.2 GB has been already consumed and 3.8 GB is only available. See, this one would be making so much sluggish. Try to eliminate all such unwanted things like photos or videos. Time and again we would be just filling it up, and we will never clear it. If you can clear some of the clutter on this one, just clear it. That's all. After clearing all such nonsense and unusual things on your Android phone, would make your phone very much faster, and from now onwards you will definitely get so much higher speed than the existing one. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe to the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future too.